Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Wardle Road, and you join me. It's Saturday today. This video won't be out till, no, it's Friday today, sorry, 75th anniversary of the VE day. So I'll insert actually some clips now of my train running with some VE flags and Great British flags down the side. So yeah, that's this.
The German war is therefore at an end. We may allow ourselves a brief period of rejoicing. Today is Victory in Europe Day.
As usual, this video is going to be all chopped up into various bits throughout the week. I'm going to be filming this video over the span of a week rather than the last video, which was a few days, so it might be a little bit longer. But hopefully there's a lot more progress in this and obviously a lot more running as well. So yeah, if you enjoy, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get on with it. Natural light left of the day. Just thought I'd show you guys one issue I was having down here. So not sure how much I showed in the last video, but all the track now is laid around here and wired up. But one issue I was having was I was losing a bit of power from the, so it runs out this little junction box down here to the droppers here, and then those droppers are connected via the rails to this one, which originally just then went off here into the junction box and back off the 3-pair. However, for some reason I kept losing, probably something to do with the fish plates, but I kept losing voltage drop over the top of this bridge. So what I've done is I've actually added an extra cable here, which now runs from that junction box straight through to that junction box without even interfering with the rails. So hopefully, well, it has sorted the issue. It just needs obviously a bit of tidying up. So we're now over at the station area, and as you saw from those previous clips here, the two carriages with the VE Day flags on. They're only put on with tape, so they won't damage the paintwork or anything. But you might notice here we've added an extra sort of corner piece to the station. So originally there was a buffer that came up to the end of this carriage here, and what we've done to add another sort of passing loop is we've got this point here, which is going to sit there like that, and now it allows for a train to pass over here, and at the same time on the opposite side a train to pass here as well. Now from here there's going to be a point that goes up the back there. It's a slight incline, so the 33 won't be able to handle it too well, but the 128 and other dual motor locos will have no issue. And then the 33 can come along this route here, which will have a small sort of halt, and then they will both join back up just before the pond. As you can see from this side, if I step back a bit, this is the progress we've made along the sort of scenic section. We're sort of working on some retaining wall ideas down the back here, but the track is now wired up all the way to the top of the step here. So I'm just going to spend the rest of the evening sort of getting the track up to where that point's going to be there. So as you can see in this clip here, this is over on the scenic side. This retaining wall is sort of a basic idea of what we want to go for. We didn't want to make it too tall, As we do, we'll completely sort of block out the plants. But once that's painted up, that should look quite nice. And here is where the track will split off behind the bush past the beehives, and then if not straight through to a little halt station that will then join back on to the loop. I've just finished putting the droppers in, so I've used the more Wago products, which are these 2 blocks of 3 clips, and that's got 2 droppers on it. One set of droppers for this track here, and then another set for the track that's going to go here. I'm still waiting for the points to arrive, but yeah, all of that track's been laid, so just need the points to arrive so we can continue the progress this way. You can also see here that where the track used to stop with the buffer and the platform, I've now continued that through here, and this point is all connected and wired up power wise, and there's no point motor in it yet. But the only issue I have is I've lost a spring that goes in here, but I've sent a letter off to Pico and they will send you some back for free if you send them a posted letter. But for now, to switch the points, just a simple, and it works as well, just a simple nailing the blade like that, just to keep them across. But yeah, this is all running fine, so I'll show you some clips of that now. So both my left-hand points have arrived now. As you can see, here's one here. Now, I ordered the medium radius ones rather than the set track ones, as just to sort of provide a smoother curve for the longer wheelbase locos. However, I've noticed with here anyway, I'm going to have to start the point a lot earlier than I'd planned to join up to this end. There's no issue with it going off here. However, with this left-hand curve here, I either have the option of starting it back here and then having to take these 2 retaining wall pieces out from here and have that curve starting early to get up there, or if I move this forwards, have this start a little bit later, but then obviously, as you can see from that curve, it's going to be a little bit sharper up that end. So I'm just going to work on that and work out the best fix for it. So I'll join you back in a second. Right, so we've moved on a little bit now. It's the next day from I think wherever the last clip was, and as you can see here, I've got this medium radius left-hand turn fitted in here. This one wasn't, I think on the previous clip, wasn't so much of an issue. I haven't had a chance to run trains over it yet though, because we're this far from joining up to this part of the circuit. If I bring you guys along here, all the droppers are put in here now, and we've just started work on the track that's going to go up past the beehives. But if I come down to this left hand, another medium radius point, originally we was going to have it sitting about here, but we decided for the sake of the curve, without making it too sharp, to sit it a little bit further back here. So we've removed a couple of the retaining walls that were in this plant here, and we're just going to have to move this plant back a little bit to let this track let the curve come out of it a bit more clean. So as you can see there, it's all fitted in nice, and we've had trains running over that. So I'll insert some clips of that now. But yeah, today's to-do task, but we'll try and get it sorted by the end of the day, will be to join up this section of track here with the point here. And if I take you guys around the corner, this runs all the way along the side of the pond to here, and then all we've got left to do to complete the first circuit is join it up to here. And then once that's done, we'll have the complete loop. not sure if I mentioned before, but this section of track here that I just showed you, that's coming off that point, this is all wired in already with the droppers, and this wire here runs all the way around to the junction box just there, and that's all powered up already. So it is literally a matter of just getting this section of track in here. I'm going to use the Dremel to cut a gap in the track there, and then fit a small piece in between there, and we should have 3/4 of the loop done. So about the noise, that's the one of the pond air pumps running in the background there. But some of you did ask where the depot is. It's currently safely tucked away in the garage at the moment, but I have been pulling bits of it out to tidy it up a little bit in preparation, sorry, for its return. So this is just bits of polystyrene sitting on it, so there's no weight at all. All of the detailed bits are still in there, and the rest of the more precious items are in storage in my room. So yeah, for those of you who are wondering where it is, there it is, and it's not been sold or destroyed. It's ready to go again. Just wanted to give a huge shout out and a thanks to the guys in the Model Rail Network group as well, as a lot of people kindly recommended me to use this decoder for the signals. So this was about 30 quid, and I can run 8 twin, so 8 2 LED traffic lights or signals, so red or green, 2 aspect, that's the phrase, 8 2 aspect signals off this. So I'm going to start working on that once I've got the complete loop. And the other thing I was working on as well, which I'll be working on in some of my live streams as well, is my DMU, which I'm going to be building. It's going to be based roughly on a class 101 in BR blue, with the greyed out roof, and then it will have the white sort of off-white windows. So yeah, I've got Timber Surf and a couple of other people having a look at 3D printing some items for me. I know Timber Surf's come up with a brilliant plan, a brilliant copy of the windscreen wipers, and hopefully I'll be working on the cabs at some point as well. But yeah, that's all the progress in here, so let's head back outside again. Now, but as you can see, if I follow through from these points here, well, from here, this is now all connected all the way up to where it was previously. So that's all the progress I think I'm going to be able to make for this video, but definitely in the next video we will have the final piece of the puzzle fixed, which is from this point here over to that point there, and the little bridge section across here as well. So then we'll have the full loop. And once again, I completely forgot to film another outro, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been enjoying the O-Gauge series. The O-Gauge will return, as you saw in this video. I think there's a clip of the depot, and we are super close. So the next video on the O-Gauge in the garden will be the full loop, and hopefully some cab view tours and having a look at where we're going to sort of extend and add the passing loops and stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.